Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be replacing the T-shaped handle knob on my Daiwa with the I-shaped one. And at the moment Daiwa continue to put T-shaped handle knobs on 2500 size reels. I don't know why they're doing that, because it's mainly used for finesse applications. So I bought a I-shaped knob from Daiwa for about $10 and another $10 for delivery. So today I'm going to take it out and chuck it on. So there's two types of ways that these T-shaped knobs are put on. One way is with a rivet, and that's hard to replace. So I'll show you the riveted one. So here is my Daiwa Legalis handle, and you can see that there's a rivet instead of a screw inside this T-shaped handle. So I'm not going to bother to try and replace that. I'll take the handle off the frames to make it easier. Carefully remove the handle end, and inside this one there is hopefully you can see it, but there is a screw. So that's going to be much easier to undo. I'm just going to use this screwdriver here to take the screw out. Okay, so I've managed to take the handle off, and here's the tiny little screw. You have to be really careful not to strip the top of the screw off, taking that screw off. It's quite shallow on top. So we've got a bearing here, and a bearing or a bushing, and we've got a little washer. So we've got one little bearing, one washer, and I think there's another bearing inside of here that I need to take out. So we'll just have a look for that. Yep, there it is. So there's the second bearing that goes at the top of the handle knob. Just put that down there. Okay, so now try and put the new handle on. Now inside this eye handle, there's a little ring. And we want the handle to go through that ring. So just make sure that when you're putting this handle on, that this piece is actually going through the ring. So we'll put that on like so. If you need to, you can actually push it. You can actually push it down. Just to make sure that handle has gone through that ring. That's going to help hold it in place. Take the bearing that came from the top of the handle and drop it in. Just try to make sure it's seated correctly. Okay, now it'll drop in perfectly. Push it down. Push your bearing down on top of that section that already comes inside the handle. There we go. So I've pushed it down as far as I can now. Simply take the screw, drop the screw in, and start to screw your handle back into position. There we go, they're starting to tighten up. Don't over tighten it, Just make it tight enough. Just take the handle cover, drop it back in. There we go. So now you've replaced your old T-knob handle with the eye-shaped handle, which is just much better for finesse fishing. You can see it's rotating nicely, it's not rotating too much. And really pleasantly, there's absolutely no play now. There's no play at all on this handle, so it fits perfectly. It's on even better than the T-handle was that came with the reel. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to shout out and let me know. Thanks for watching.